Welcome to Avironix Drones here in sunny Chennai. I'm Peter Lenford, the CEO of Avironix. I'm originally from the UK, from an automotive component manufacturing background. But now I've settled down here in Chennai and I've started to work on what is my lifelong passion of aeromodeling and robotics. So since we launched the Avironix brand about 18 months back, we've had a very successful first year of commercial operations, including attracting some major investments, launching a lot of interesting products into the market, and kicking off a few global partnerships for both technology and trade. We're a fairly unique company in the industry, combining our manufacturing DNA and a focus on aerospace standards alongside a very in-depth R&D and focus on technology. We have a very fun work culture that promotes innovation and a passion for technology. So our core mission here is to empower our customers with drone-based solutions that create real-world value through the application of our technology. Today we have more than 20 drones developed and proven across hundreds of use cases, mainly in agriculture and defense, including a lot of firsts, including India's first amphibious drone, India's first hydrogen fuel cell drone, which will have a flight endurance of more than 4 hours, the first autonomous GPS-denied navigation, and now we're the first Indian drone company to get the export clearance from the Director General of Foreign Trade. So we're, taking our agri drones into the global market, putting them against the best in the world. And we're very proud to showcase and represent India's design and manufacturing prowess on the world stage. I truly believe that India is ready to lead the global drone revolution thanks to its design and manufacturing capabilities. So besides in-house design and development, we manufacture our own composites, carbon fiber tubes, plates, and aerostructures on a number of different methods, pre-peg and wet layup, using our autoclave. We're also in the process of setting up our third facility, which is going to be a world-class manufacturing facility, serial production for the agricultural drones, both for the Indian and the export market. And that's around 5 crores of investment, which will be focused on things like Industry 4.0, world-class machines, and TQ and various other quality systems that we're bringing in to ensure.
I'm Dr. Dinesh Manoharan, CTO Avironix. 40 years experience in aerospace and drones. I started my career in working for the Airbus projects, A350, A380 aircrafts, and FAA Part 21 certified person. At Avironix, innovation is not a buzzword. It's a driving force behind everything we do. We design and deliver the drone solution for which a range of application, each tailored to solve the problems. When developing the new product, we strictly adhere to the aerospace standards from the initial concept and the design and all the way through production. During the design phase, we invest the deep understanding our client challenges, working side by side with them to build the innovation effective solutions. We have highly skilled employees in the field of aircraft structure, composite material, aerodynamics, propulsion systems, flight control system, and communication systems. What truly set the Avironix apart is our commitment to real-world testing. Take our flagship agriculture product, AV-360. Before hitting the market, we done extensive stressing, more than 5,000 acres sprayed for farmland to ensure the precision, safety, and the efficiency also. From the rotorcraft to the fixed-wing V12, we bring a hands-on experience across multiple platforms. Our ultimate goal to deliver the best, safest and more reliable UAV solution to the world. Thank you.